Welcome. Today we have another new product. This was another Amazon Prime Day. It's the next mug, and this will replace my Ember mug. Ember mug no longer holds a charge. Now it's an older, the Ember is older, so I'll be fair to it, but it just doesn't hold a charge at all anymore. 1 cup of coffee, that is it. If it even does that. And so I decided to go with the next mug for a variety of reasons that I'll show you in a moment. Let's see what's inside the box. It was $90, by the way, on Amazon Prime Day. And the regular price is around $130. And of course, you can always get it on sale. So, welcome to Next Mug. A user manual. Now, I got to tell you the good news here. It's one of the few things that doesn't have an app. Everything is right on the cup, so that's good. That means it's just simple. This is heavy, so it feels like the charger and everything is in here. Actually, it's the plug. So here we go. We have the plug. Recyclable. Here's the charging plate. So here is the charging plate, and you can see here are the connectors where it will connect to the cup. And here it is. Well, this is substantial as far as what it feels like. This is a 14-ounce mug, and I think the Ember was 10. No, they look about the same. Anyway, this is a 14-ounce mug, and some of the differences here, why there's no app like the Ember had, is here on the front. Let me put it this way for you. So you could set the temperature, warm, hot, piping, and here's the button here that you just simply press. And as you press that button, you could see that the button, it's already charged a bit, and it right now has it on piping. So see, it's here. Warm, hot, piping. So that button, that's nice. It kind of allows you to keep it whatever temperature you'd like, and it shows you the amount of charge that's there. So a rather simple 14-ounce cup. Next mug, again, it looks just fine, and hope you enjoyed this. Well, there is one other thing I don't want to leave out for you. Different than the Ember cup is that the next mug actually has a top for travel. So it's got a nice little sippy cup. And it's got a nice rubber gasket around it to keep it from spilling. A very, very nice add-on.